In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a welcome pop-up message to your GoDaddy website. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. Once you are inside your account, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website that you want to edit. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor opens, look for the Settings menu. Open it and check for a pop-up feature. Depending on your version of GoDaddy, this may be labeled Pop-up, Welcome Pop-up, or Promotional Pop-up. If this option is available, select it to continue. Next, enable the Welcome Pop-up feature. This will allow you to create a message that appears for visitors when they arrive on your website. After turning it on, enter the title you want to show at the top of the pop-up. Then type the message you want your visitors to read. Keep your message short, clear, and relevant to your website. If your pop-up includes a call to action button, add the button label and choose the destination link. For example, you can send visitors to a contact page, a shop page, a booking page, or any other important section of your website. Make sure the button text is simple and easy to understand. After that, customize the pop-up display settings using the options that GoDaddy provides. Depending on the tools available in your account, you may be able to adjust when the pop-up appears, how often it shows, or which pages it displays on. Review each setting carefully so the pop-up works the way you want. Once everything looks good, save the pop-up settings. Then click Preview to test the website and make sure the welcome pop-up appears correctly. Check the title, message, button, and link to confirm that everything is working as expected. If you notice anything that needs to be changed, go back into the settings and update it before publishing. When you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make the welcome pop-up live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to see the pop-up based on the settings you selected. This can be a helpful way to highlight announcements, promotions, special offers, or important information right away. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.